Ah, there we go. It's working. Damn. So I'm sitting here thinking maybe I should get the hell out of the trees with this windstorm, and all of a sudden that drops on my hood, and I about shit myself. Which isn't a good thing to do right now because there's no goddamn toilet paper to be found anywhere. I'm down to about 4 rolls left out of the Y2K stuff. Looking down the driveway, nothing's happening. The storm has calmed down a little bit because, yeah, let's see what's going on out here. Trees aren't rocking too bad right now. Still got to get all of her shit. That's all her shit. That mess there. Bicycle and the shit hanging on the fucking clothesline and all the shit piled up on the porch and beside the porch. And the rain barrel's mine. That's what I collect water in. The spinny thingies up the road are mine. Flowers are all mine. Chairs tilted over to keep the damn squirrels out of my tulips that they've eaten. Oh man, I planted the bulbs in November and goddamn squirrels got into them as soon as they came up. They're being quiet. The one I'm worried about is that one there. No, that ain't the one. Where's it at? That one there that is dead. And that one there that is dead. The wind's coming from the north, so they'll go over this direction, hopefully. Hope they don't come this way. Then there's one up that way I'm worried about. I think it's the one in the center of the screen. No, that ain't it. It's back over there some. And that damn broken alder. Well, let's see. That damn broken alder right there. Because that's what's laying, part of that's laying in front of the wall next to the bicycle there. Bicycle, logs. Logs come off of, what is that? That's some bitch right there. That one worries me. Because that's what crunched the end of the motorhome and destroyed it. And come over and took out the back section of my trailer, and off over in there, there's part of it there, right? Come on, finger. It's right, there. And the original tree that come down on me is turning into termite food. And the top of it starts there and goes up into, let's see.